Hey, what is going on, guys? Begus Gaming here. Today we are playing Roblox with Dylan. And we are going to be playing Big Paintball again. Like I said, I used to be the king of Call of Duty. And this game is just reviving so many dead memories. So, and it's fun. Dang it. Dang it. Got him? Nope, nobody over there. You are being tagged. Yes, level 13. 700 credits. Tommy. Oh yeah, I have enough for Tommy. Yes, deploy. Tommy is a 3-shot. I killed Dragon Thanos.
I killed his drone. I killed Dragon Thanos' drone.
I like the name though. And because he's a bacon hair, it's just even more just why. Like, two of the most powerful things in fantasy of all time, dragons and Thanos, and then you turn them into a wimpy Roblox first-person shooter gamer. Like, I just don't get it. How dare you downgrade him? Boom. Ow.
I'm hiding. Wow, you spawned right under me. Sorry, you killed me. Oh my god! Wow, this is I come down over. Where's she at?
Stop killing me, Caitlin.
This Kyle is just my phone. Yes, we did it. Wow.
I like how they gave me the illusion of rapid fire by calling this gun a Tommy. But that making it a 3-round.
Ah, take that. I know another country.
Lee's brother.
I just got shot from the
Oh, these kids, they just keep camping the spawn.
Oh, hey, hi. Hi, bye.
Hi, how are you?
I got to do like 10 times. Oh my god, Dad.
person. It's a person. It's Dragon Thanos. He is not actually not a bacon hair. Yet a fully fledged human being. Got him. This is what you get for killing me, Leah's brother. Your turret gets immediately destroyed. And my pier blocks. Bruh, stop camping. You are literally breaking the #1 rule of FPS games. Don't stand still.
So this one guy has this tree trunk and things a spawn point. So annoying.
I'm gonna do that.
Yeah, it's smart, but oh my gosh, now we another one can't be the spawn. Oh wow, now there's just this one. Oh, and 3. Oh my. There's this golden insect.
Crap, I'm breaking the #1 rule, never stand still.
Yeah, it's not a good idea to stand still. But on top of this drop.
I don't care, Cubby Keys.
There's a huge battle. It's like a 30. Oh my gosh! It's a level 11.
Get pwned.
What the?
I swear these kids have aimbot and they're just like camping the spawns.
Yeah, that's what I think they do. I don't even have a chance to shoot. As soon as I just spawn and I'm dead. Oh, hi, friend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Again, I say, as soon as you spawn in, you get dead.
Yeah, like.
Bruh, stop camping.
Okay, now let's try this.
This is why I stopped. This is one of the reasons I stopped playing COD Black Ops 3. I mean 2. 3 was just a catastrophe. Nobody liked it. But people would just always camp the spawns.
Yeah.
And then it's a pretty old game, so the immense amount of hackers playing the game just made it unplayable.
I like Black Ops 3 zombies.
What?
Yeah, okay, Black Ops 2, I normally play the zombies and just like play myself. Oh no! I just killed the dude and he spawned in the house. Ow. Why should I do this?
I'ma just place a turret here for no apparent reason.
I'm gonna camp because I'm tired of getting food.
Ah, map your blocks. Map your blocks. He just camps every single spawn.
Yeah. I saw this one guy shoot through a wall across. I have no one above me. That might be bad. There's this cat. Okay, you know what's funny? There's a guy above me with a cat camping. And I'm down the wall and he's camping. What's the noise?
Ah, map your blocks. You are so annoying. Kill him. He's the guy isn't wearing any clothes and has a really round head.
That's there's someone shooting through walls. I'll just kind of go or just go straight by my head through the wall.
Wow.
There's a guy who's speaking walls. Walls are glitch. I think they put both into the wall.
Yeah, I mean, sometimes if you're quick enough, you can get the spawn killers.
Yeah, it's only because people are like, oh my gosh, there's a giant wall. Yeah, this is a dude shooting through the wall. Like, shot like through the wall. Oh my gosh, I just found an open camp spot. Ah, yes! Finally! No, I'm not escape my way. I'm going to go back. I'm gonna end up doing a burger. Yeah, there's a dude that has a paintball and he's just shooting me. Like, I just got shot through the wall.
Yeah.
This dude, yeah.
Do you know his name?
Nope, I didn't pay attention to that.
Yeah, maybe you should pay attention to that.
Oh, you know, I don't really think.
And he launched a nuke.
Yeah, I think that's probably the guy who's aimbotting. Oh my gosh. I've never launched a nuke. The closest I got was like, I was like 30 something away.
I swear, you are like bad if you're using aimbot on Roblox.
They just probably suck at gaming.
Yeah.
I can understand how
Come on, this Crimson Seas dude. I found this Zootopia guy. Got him. Yep, it's Zootopia. It's Zootopia. They're aimbotting. They are aimbotting.
Well, I'm kind of camp, but he's probably getting nervous. Nice, boom. There's a guy there. Okay, there's no one near me. I'm just nervous to like get outside a window. It's gonna be like 5 guys waiting. Oh my gosh, I think I just found a book.
I found a great way to kill spawn killers. Just spawn in and then immediately place a drone on your head.
I found a really OP camping spot, but I don't think I can make a tent. Oh wow, that's it's like an OP camp spot. I'm just standing on top of the door. No one even comes into this place anymore. No, I think this spot's and I'm just gonna go out.
Boom.
Oh my gosh, no one's on this side of the map.
Yeah, I swear, this Napier blocks.
Well,
Match result, 59 total tags.
Wow, you got 59?
Yes.
I got 23 because I kept getting like shots and bombs.
Yeah.
I'm doing,
Well, I'm gonna have to end this video here. Thanks for watching. Me and him are going